Here's the weekly weather briefing for the Arklamas region for the week of September 18th, 2017 from your National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. A summer-like weather pattern continues this week with highs above normal in the 80s and 90s. Afternoon and evening rain chances will exist throughout the week. And the Atlantic Basin remains active with 3 tropical systems, Jose, Maria, and Lee, and we'll discuss those as well. So a similar weather pattern will exist throughout the week with no fronts moving through, maybe a disturbance moving through midweek, but we should just expect a fairly stagnant pattern with daily afternoon, evening rain chances. Heading into the weekend, we'll see high pressure building back over the area, and this will result in maybe a little less rain chance, but also continued above normal temperatures. It will definitely keep any weather fronts off to our north and west. So taking a look at the 7-day forecast, you'll see that highs remain in the 90s or upper 80s throughout the week. Overnight lows will be in the 70s or maybe upper 60s throughout the week, and we keep with at least isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, diminishing in the evening, and then quiet overnight conditions with maybe some fog developing in the pre-dawn hours. Taking a look at the 7-day precipitation, no significant rainfall expected across our area. The most significant rainfall depicted in this image is across the Atlantic Basin, parts of the Northeast, and that's associated with Hurricane Jose. Taking a look at the tropical outlook for the next 5 days, we have 3 named systems remaining in the Atlantic Basin, Lee, Maria, and Jose. Tropical Depression Lee is forecast to remain a tropical depression or maybe even diminish even further to a low pressure system. It should remain in the Atlantic Ocean and not pose any threat to the United States or especially the Arklamas region. Hurricane Maria is forecast to become a major hurricane by Tuesday morning. The track takes Maria to Puerto Rico, then a slight shift northward. As we know, anything can change, so we want to continue to monitor Maria as it continues to develop. But at the present time, no impacts to the Arklamas are expected. Hurricane Jose, the forecast is to remain a hurricane through Tuesday. Jose kind of meandered in the Atlantic before making that northward turn, and another meander in the track occurs by late week after it appears that Jose will drop down to tropical storm status. Tropical storm watches are in effect in the northeast, but at the present time no U.S. landfall looks to occur with this track. However, parts of Cape Cod look to be very close to the cone of uncertainty in days 4 and 5, so something to keep in mind for the Atlantic and Northeast United States. So thank you for viewing this briefing. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to give us a call or contact us on Facebook or Twitter.